naghilak ang langit. Naghilak ang langit ug ang social media karon. Umiiyak ang buong sambayanan dahil sa 299 na na proposal ring, proposal engagement ring ba 'yon? Ay, pati ako nagulantang. O, diba? Ang ganda. Ang ganda ko ngayon dito. Ang ganda ng filter. Good morning! Anyway, makikisali tayo at makikimarites tayo about 299 price dun sa wedding or a proposal engagement ring with 8 years. 8 years of relationship. Tandaan nyo, ang dami-daming mag-asawa ngayon na magkasama ng walang wedding ring. Ang dami-dami ring mag-asawa ngayon na pang-bonggahan naman talaga pagdating sa mga wedding ring pero naghihiwalay. Okay? So, it's not, wala yun sa singsing. Diba? Wala yun sa singsing. Ang pagsasama is yung respeto, mahal ka, pagtitiwala, at mayroon kayong, pero sa number 1 talaga is tiwala sa isa't isa. Diba? Next. Si ate girl, si ate girl dun sa post niya na nabasa ko, I don't know, but I did not read all the post and I don't know, and I am not sure if it is really the true post ni ate girl. So sa nabasa ko is like 8 years silang relationship. So as a Filipino, no, kulang talaga tayo pagdating sa financial, diba? Pero tayong mga Pilipino, romantiko, diba? Kahit ano pa yung trabaho mo, kapag yung relasyon mo, kapag yung babae, mahal mo, kapag gusto mo siyang makamit, gusto mo siyang maging sayo, gagawin mo lahat. Pag-iipunan mo, paghahandaan mo. Di ba ganun yung mga lalaki? Kahit walang-wala sila. Minsan nga, pinagdadamutan pa nila yung parents nila para lang makapag-ipon sila, para lang maibigay doon sa monthsary or something, birthday or present nila doon sa kanilang mga iniirog. Diba? But, kanya-kanya tayo ng definition about relationship, about pag-ibig, and besides, naghihimutok lang naman si ate. Nilabas niya lang yung sama ng loob niya doon sa Facebook or doon sa post niya. Kaya wag tayong parang gunaw na yung mundo. Robert, I want to ask you something.
Ask me.
What can you say about 299 peso from Shopee as an engagement ring?
What an engagement?
Yeah. Like if you want to engage to marry someone and then you've been already in a relationship for 8 years.
Yeah.
What can you say about 299 peso for the wedding ring that you're going to give to a woman?
The wedding?
Wedding ring as an engagement ring.
A wedding, an engagement ring.
Yeah, and you're going to propose to a woman. What can you say about it?
What should I say? I don't know.
No, you as a man. What can you say about that?
Why you make a video now?
No, because it's a trending in the Philippines.
I don't know about it, so.
No, what can you say about it? Do you have
I have no feeling about it.
like if you're going to give like if you are in 8 years in a relationship and
I
then
understand
you
it,
wanted
Sophie,
to
but
propose
it's-
to a woman and then you're going to give a ring. What can you say about that one?
Yeah, normally you buy a golden ring, huh? But not for 299 bucks. You have money or you have no money. If you have no money, even 300 pesos is a lot if you have nothing.
Yeah, you're right. You're right. It's not about
It's not about the price, I think it's about the symbol behind it. For me.
Ha.